Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hogwarts Legacy on Nintendo Switch. First, make sure your console has enough space. The game needs about 15 gigabytes. You can buy it digitally from the eShop or use a physical cartridge. Connect your controllers, like Joy-Cons or a Pro controller, and ensure they're charged. Then, dive into the settings to tweak things like brightness and audio for the best experience. It's all about getting set up for an amazing adventure. Let's get into the basic controls. You'll use the left stick to move around and the right stick to look around the world. Press B to jump over obstacles and Y to interact with all sorts of magical items and people. To cast spells, hold down ZL and pick your spell with the right stick. For basic attacks, hit ZR and remember to use L to dodge incoming attacks. These simple moves will help you navigate Hogwarts with ease. Combat in Hogwarts Legacy is dynamic and exciting. Combine your basic attacks with spells to create powerful combos. Pay close attention to your enemies' moves. When they attack, use the R button for Pratigo to block. If an attack is unblockable, quickly press L to dodge roll out of the way. As you fight, you'll build up your ancient magic meter, allowing you to unleash incredibly powerful attacks when the time is right. Master these techniques to overcome any challenge. The world of Hogwarts Legacy is huge and full of wonders. Take your time to explore every corner of Hogwarts Castle and the surrounding regions. You'll find tons of secrets and side quests. Completing missions will earn you experience, helping you unlock new spells and talents. Don't forget to customize your gear and talents to make your character truly unique and powerful. Also, gather resources to craft useful potions and upgrade your equipment, preparing you for any adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.